All right, guys, since we got Barney out of the way now, still waiting for parts to come in to finish up the bumper, but other than that, she's ready to go. Now back on the Honda. And getting a little late start today, but see what we can do. We're going to put the new CV axles in. And like I said in the last video, we went ahead and put new grounds in because the other ones were pretty nasty. The casing was cracking and everything else. And what I'm working on right now is getting the brake lines, brake loose, get these old calipers out, because he wants to put these on here, which came off the Go car and they were brand new. And so was the rotors, but they're going to have to get cleaned up. So right now I got a drain pan underneath here. All right, got this line broke loose. Just need to pull the tap out, drop it down. I had to adjust tie rod in on this side because what was in the other car, because we used the rack and pinion out of the Go car as well because it was a brand new rack. So new rack, new calipers. He went ahead and bought new hubs, and now I got put together. But that Go car was hit left front, and it knocked everything out of whack in the front end. I guess they tried to adjust the tie rod in, even things out, but once it got on this car, you could tell it was really out. Driver's side was straight. Passenger side was kicked in quite a bit. So for now, I just eyeballed it back straight, because once this car's done up and running, it's going to get loaded up on a trailer, taken to an alignment shop, have new tires put on it, and have them all do it. So just wanted to get it closed. So let me get back to getting the calipers off and start putting the CV shafts in. Now that I got the brake line and the caliper out of the way, some of these models, depending on what year, there's a little wishbone going through here. Some of them you can get the whole shaft through. Some of them you have to take the lower out, feed it up from the bottom up through. So first I'm going to do, I'm going to take this top part of the ball joint part, let everything hang down, and see first if I can get it through there. If not, then we'll have to disconnect that and drop it, lower it, raise this out of the way, and get the shaft through. So I had to drop the lower on it. It would almost fit through until we got to the boot. So sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So let's see if we can get her in there. All right, now I got the inside of the CV shaft into the transmission. It's locked in place. And now we're just gonna need to get it into there. I broke my tripod about a month ago, so it's hard for me to hold the phone and try to do this at the same time, so I apologize for that. Hopefully soon I'll get a tripod and get back to where you can actually see me doing it at the same time. So let me get back onto it and we'll do the other side. Now that I got everything loosely back together, get the nut on here. All right, now I just need to tighten everything up and get on the other side. Well, I said I was going to the other side, but I went to decide to go ahead and get the rotor and the caliper on. I sit here and took a wire wheel and kind of cleaned the surface rust off of it. So might as well go ahead and get it on there. Like I said, he wanted to go with these because they were newer off the Go kart, but it also had the braided line set up, which you want to put on there. So now we're going to the other side. All right, I got my phone rigged up right now, so hopefully it doesn't fall. And let's go ahead and get on this side. Now I pre-lubed the brake fitting earlier, and so it's coming apart fine. There we go. And right now I'm using a regular wrench because I guess I need to break down and buy me a set of metric brake line wrenches. So far I've been lucky, but since most of the vehicles now are metric or combination of metric and standards, I guess I need to break down and buy a set. But so far so good. Alright, this broke loose. And this works great getting the clips off. Especially if you don't have room for a screwdriver. Brake fluids make things a little slippery now. There we go. Set that off to the side. There we go. Let that drain down a little bit. There we go, that's out of the way. All right, we got it disassembled. Now it's time to fish this shaft in. It's quite a bit longer than the other side. So, hope I can get it clipped down in the first shot. Or maybe not. All right, gotta climb underneath the car. That one was snapped in place. Now it's to get it into the hub. Whew, that was it. Whew. All right, so this one's not wanting to go on, right? Might be the other one. There we go. Well, that one's in. So I'm gonna snug everything up. I've got to buy some new cotter pins to put in. Lock these things up. But at least it's to get him a little bit further along. And hopefully by this weekend we'll get it rolled out, and like I said before, get things cleaned up and get to work in. But other than that, guys, you have a good one, a safe one. And this time, if you have a son, you know, help him out. And that way he can keep going and get his project done. And Dad got to help. But other than that, guys, you have a good one, a safe one, and I'll see you down the road.